Welcome to Vindal's concept. Today we are going into division of polynomial, and if you look at the question, you have divide x squared minus x minus 20, and this particular polynomial is to be divided by x minus 5. How do we do it? Let's go. We have x squared minus x minus 20. We are going to treat it like a long division. And this is 5 minus x minus 5 here. So what you do is, the first step is this. X will divide x squared. Remember, x squared divided by x, the answer is going to be x, because one of the x will cancel this x, and x is remaining. So I'm going to put the x here. So the next thing you do is, this x multiplied by this x is going to be x squared. Under x squared, you put x squared, because x squared and x cannot add nor subtract, so it must be under x squared. The next step, x multiplied by minus 5 is going to be minus 5x. So the next thing you are going to do is to subtract these two terms. X squared minus x squared is 0. Now x minus 5x, you are going to have 4x, because x, this is minus x minus 5x is something as saying minus x plus 5x, which is 5x minus x, which is 4x. So, and that is why we have 4x. So the next thing you are going to do is you bring minus 20 down. So this is coming down here, minus 20. You complete the same exercise. So this is x divided by 4x is going to be plus 4x. No, it's going to be plus 4, because this is 4x divided by x. As you cancel x, you have only 4. All right, so this divide this is 4. Then 4 times x is going to be 4x. All right, then 4 times minus 5 is going to be minus 20. If you look at them, this minus this is going to be 0. Therefore, the answer is going to be x plus 4.